Good morning, y'all. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all of my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my minimal daily no makeup routine with you guys, along with a few other minimalistic things. I'm trying to whisper because my husband is right in our bedroom sleeping. But yes, I'm gonna be doing my no makeup routine for y'all. I already put on like a little bit of lipstick, and I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and film this. So the first thing that I'm gonna start with, I'm actually gonna put on some perfume. A lot of my makeup and a lot of my perfume, as of late, I am just trying to use things up, because I actually don't have a lot of makeup compared to the average girl, but for me it's a lot, and I have now found products that I love and that I like. So with the things that I'm not using as much but that are still good, that I just don't like as much, I'm trying to use them up because I don't like to be wasteful. I know donating makeup can be like a little iffy, so I'm just trying to use a lot of the stuff up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my perfume. I'm currently wearing Honey by Marc Jacobs. I absolutely love this perfume. It's so nostalgic, but now that I'm 27, I do think that the scent is a little young. It is very sweet, but this was everything like when I was in college and like 21, 22, 23, and those first couple of post-undergrad years. So this is what I'm wearing now because I'm trying to use it up, and once I use it up, I'll be done with it. And it's just a nostalgic scent. This will probably be like a first perfume that I buy for my daughter, should they still be making it. So I just like to go behind my neck, on my wrist, and inside my elbow. And sometimes I do my hip bone and behind my knee, but I'm already dressed, so I don't feel like doing all of that today. Oops. So that is the perfume that I'm trying to use up, that I'm using daily. My other three like grown older perfumes that I feel like just fit my season of life better, I'm gonna get those. Those perfumes I keep under my sink, and I'm not wearing them right now because I told myself I'm not allowed to wear them until I use all of Honey. And I think I have a perfume haul on here, y'all. I don't know, can't remember. But first up is good old Tiffany and Company. I do believe I got the strongest concentration, and I think this is the biggest bottle. And this scent is just very, I don't know, it's very like millennial housewife to me. It's so nice and clean and crisp and like graceful and poised, like everything I aspire to be in life smells like this. So that's that one, and this is definitely like more so spring or all year round, definitely very light. But the other two that I have, are definitely fall, strong, sexy, a little more musky. Decadence by Marc Jacobs. This smells like green apples to me. I think depending on the concentration that you get, you could get away with wearing it all year. I'm trying to figure out which one I got. Another Eau perfume. I think all of these are the strongest concentration and the biggest bottle. But this packaging is so cute, y'all. It's a little purse. The top comes off like that. And I didn't put it on the way. So it's very cute. This literally smells like fall green apples. It reminds me of like fall festivals I went to as a child. Very nice. Now this one I can't even find anymore. I smelled this on my aunt one time, and it took me forever to find it. and I got it off Amazon, and now I can't find it anymore. So I will definitely be using this sparingly. This is How to Marry a Millionaire by Marilyn Monroe. This scent is inspired by the movie. Such a classic. Love it. And this is definitely fall, winter, honey. Like, you can't wear this no other time. It's literally, it literally smells like the First Lady. I would imagine that this is what Michelle Obama smells like. It just smells like wealth and accomplishment. And the packaging is a ring. So cute. So let me put this away. That's that. I do have some other makeup under my sink that I told myself I'm not allowed to touch until I use up certain things. So that's that. So let's go ahead and get started with my everyday makeup routine. So first things first, I want to show y'all my organization. So this is a Morphe makeup case where I keep all of my brushes, my go-to lipstick that I'm using at the time, and my mascara inside. So that's that. And then I have the Alley Glines classic makeup bag. I have the smaller one. And I love this thing. It's very minimal. It fits a ton of stuff. So I have a palette in here, like here, and then I have another smaller palette. And I have my fans, and I have all my stuff organized in the bags, and then I have more palettes and makeup back there. So for my everyday, y'all, I keep it very light. I don't use any liquids. I just use powder. So I already put a little bit of lipstick on, and right now I'm using Color Me Coral by Mary Kay, the Nourish Shine lipstick. The packaging is so cute. This is the color. This line of lipsticks is very, very nourishing, very sheer. It's like I probably won't use chapstick again because these are like tinted chapsticks to me. So love that. So now I'm just gonna powder my face, and this is the powder that I'm currently using, that I'm trying to use up, and it is Mary Kay Mineral Powder Foundation in Bronze 2. And I'm just going to take what is in the cap on a Mary Kay fluffy brush. And it is hot out in Atlanta now. We're in May, so day to day, I just like to do a little brush of powder on my face. When it's cooler out, I will do a little bit of concealer under my eye, and then powder on top, and that's it. And I do enjoy this mineral powder, but I have one that I do like better. It's the Too Faced one. So I'm trying to use this up so I can use that one. I really do enjoy how kind of sheer this one is and how nice it blends into the skin. And it doesn't feel heavy or anything throughout the day. And it doesn't transfer. So that's that, you know. Just a little something, just a little refinement. You probably can't tell, but It really helps keeping me cool and not oily when I'm outside all day at work. So that's that. That's the powder. And now I'm going to move on to blush. And this palette, I think I got this palette off Amazon. And oops, I keep a lot of blushes and eyeshadows and cream to powder foundation in here that I use, as foundation and concealer. So what I like to do is take my blush brush and I just like to swivel this whole palette of blush and dabble on my cheeks and on my eyelids. If eyeshadow is too much for you on a daily, and if you don't have time, and if you're lazy and minimal like me, just pop some blush on your eyes. It really helps in giving you a natural glow and with helping you look a little more awake and just natural throughout your day. So I'm just gonna swivel this whole thing and take my blush up. Do a big dabble on my lids. I think it just helps give a little more color. Also, when I was competing in pageants for an interview, I would prefer to do blush on my eyes versus a whole eye look, just because you're closer up to the judges, and I just would prefer my interview makeup to look way more natural. And my goal always in interview is for them to get my headshot ahead of time, and then I'll walk in the interview room and they're like, wow, she's way prettier in person. So that's just a tip. Don't wear too much makeup in the interview room if you compete in pageants. So that's pretty much what I do to my face. And then I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to brush my eyebrows, but I don't put anything on them on the daily. I kind of like, a bushy, slightly unpolished brow for the daily. I also have microblading, so I don't have to do much there. But I just like to brush them up, just kind of, train them in the direction I want them to go. I'm about to pop on some mascara. Right now I'm using Lash Intensity Mascara by Mary Kay. This is probably my least favorite mascara in the Mary Kay line. It's just, for me, it's just so much. But, I mean, it lasts, it works. I'm just trying to use it up. That's the only, problem that I have with it is how volumizing it is. I would say my favorite mascara from Mary Kay, let me see, where is it? I keep my mascara in here. I love Lash Love, and I love Ultimate. Those are just very traditional, very classy, very lengthening mascaras. Lash Love is like, oh no, Lash Intensity is, I mean, y'all will see when I put it on. Let me stop talking. So I always run my mascara under hot water. If your mascara is a little older, if it's on its last limb, if it's getting like globby, run it under some hot water. That'll soften up the product so your mascara won't be as clumpy. So I do this pretty much every time or every other time that I'm wearing mascara. Okay, so I'm going to of the mirror so I can see. I wonder if y'all will be able to see a difference. That's it. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much my face. I am going to, even though I don't have a lot on, I am still going to set because I like the way that it feels, and I am trying to use up this setting powder. It's the All Nighter by Urban Decay. But to be honest with y'all, I enjoy the MAC Fix Plus much better. So this is under my sink. I have to use this before I can touch this. This is just going to be my go-to prep and setting powder. I really love it. I really love the smell. I have tried the cucumber one, but I think that one might be limited edition or something like that. But I like this much better. It just, I don't know. It just, I think it's more effective for the type of skin that I have. And I think the mister, the sprayer, is just much more like lighter and luxurious overall. This one works great too. I just like the other one better. I wouldn't be using stuff up that I didn't like. Sometimes you just find stuff that you like more. So right. So that's that. And now I'm gonna go in with my fan. I have two. My mom gave me this one. My best friend got me this one from Japan. I'm gonna go in with this one because this one is authentic and I want to use it sparingly. So using a fan. Yeah, I don't know if you guys want to do that. It's not fun. Okay, so that is my everyday makeup routine. No liquids in the summer, just powder and lipstick and mascara and blush, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you try it, if this is just perfect for you, if you need to do a little more. Let me know what products you use. Engage with me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.